Are you thinking of selling your house but you're afraid to sell because you're afraid you won't be able to find a replacement property after you sell? Well, go ahead and start viewing properties to understand your options of what you can buy while at the same time work on the sale. Therefore, you do both concurrently. You may wish you can buy a property first before you sell, but for most people, it's not practical because of the second property ABSD tax of 20% and also a lower 45% loan to value on a second property loan. The best approach would still be to sell first before buying another property. Some pointers to manage this. You can negotiate for some terms on the sale, like a free extension of stay on the current property where you can continue to stay on after it's sold. Or negotiate a lease back on the property for a period of 6 months to a year. This will help in the buying process, giving you time to work on your purchase. And when a good property comes along, you can act fast since you've already sold. If you really want to buy a property first before you sell, you can negotiate with the seller for a longer option period, say 3 to 4 months. This will give you time to work on the sale during this period. But there are risks involved. If you do not sell in time, and hence cannot exercise the option to purchase the property, you will lose the option fee deposit. Hope you learned something. Go ahead, move forward with your housing plans with confidence. Share with me which approach will you take, to sell first then buy, or buy first then sell. Let me know in the comments below. Joel here from Homes by Joel. Ask me any property questions and I'll see you at the next one. Goodbye.